Hello there. Now, you might see text on your lock screen from now and then. For example, it's going to be like this one. As you can see, it says subscribe with an exclamation point and smiley face. Okay. Now, let me teach you how to use that feature on your iPhone so you can write any text you want. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want you to do is please open your App Store. We're gonna use a third-party app for this one. There isn't a feature installed um, for iPhone for this one. Okay. From here, I want you to type in any text and search. And this is the one that I'm talking about. It says AnyText lock screen widgets. Please download it or install it on your phone. To make sure it's already installed, it's gonna say open. Now from here, let's open it, okay? Let me just go back on the landing page. So this is the landing page of this app. It's gonna be from widget 1 to widget 8. And from the top right, you can actually check the about section of the app. Now, please, before we get into it, please make sure you're updated to the latest version of iOS, because this app is only for iOS 16 and above. How can we make sure we're updated? Go to your settings. Once you're here, please go to the Generals tab and click on the software update, the second one right here. Now, it's gonna load a bit and it's gonna say the version you have right now. On my end, it's gonna be 16.4.1. And if that's the same as you guys right now, I'm recording this one, it's gonna be 16.441. But if not, and you see here there's an update pending, please update it right away. If you see this screen right here, make sure that you're updated. Now let's go back to the app itself. Let's open AnyText again. How can we use that text again? So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Let me just change this to subscribe and like. Let's just put a smiley face on that, okay? Now you can put any text you want, okay? And click on done. It's gonna say awesome. Now close the app, go to your lock screen, and it says subscribe and like. How about we edit it from here? You can edit real time. Let's put real time right here, and then click back. Just go to your lock screen again. It's gonna say real time. Now how to put this one on your lock screen? Let me just remove this one so you can see. Click on customize, choose which wallpaper, lock screen of course, hold that icon right there and then click on remove. Let me just remove that one so you can properly check. Now from here, just click on widgets, look for the one that says the application icon, click on that one. It will be added to your lock screen right away, and just that's it. That's how you add any text on your lock screen using this third-party app. But please make sure you have an iOS 16 and above before doing this, okay? So you have any problem along the way. That being said, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.